Poverty is rampant. Jobs are scarce. For many villagers, growing poppies is the only source of income. But the government sees differently. In a quest of drug-free Manipur, security forces are razing poppy fields. The real victims of this war are the innocent, not the drug traffickers, but the poor farmers just struggling to get by. Recently, the government war on drugs efforts to curb out narco-funded terrorists stands strong. The support of people is massive. On Thursday, a joint team of Ukhrul Police, Ukhrul Forest Department, and 6th Manipur Rifles continued a poppy destruction drive at Sihai Hill Range, Ukhrul District, Manipur. Around 6 hectares area of illicit poppy fields were destroyed. Huts and other amenities were also destroyed by the joint team. Ever wonder what it's like to live in a place where the war on drugs has become an all-out war? The government has been on a mission to wipe out poppy cultivation and destroy the drug trade. This poppy destruction drive in Ukhrul district serves a message to the Kuki-dominated areas of Manipur. For so long, the government fails to check its war on drugs in Kuki-dominated areas. The ethnic violence and the narco-funded terrorism strike a line to both the communities. The trust in government looks dim if we analyze from another perspective. Manipur needs to do more on exploring alternative crop substitution program. The road ahead is long, but for the sake of Manipur's people, one hopes its leader to choose a path that leads to healing rather than further harm. This is the Crossing Line channel, narrating for you